Hello, this is Maria de los Santos, and I will be reading my teaching philosophy statement. My teaching philosophy will have to be that all students have a different way of learning. All children have the right to access the resources they need to succeed in their educational career. I will do my best to provide the resources they need to give them the opportunity to achieve their goals/dreams. And to advocate for themselves. I believe having a connection with each student will help me as a teacher to understand each student's struggles. Understanding each student's strengths and weaknesses will allow me to create a plan to work with them at an individual level. A method I would use to help foster my students' goal is to apply the Universal Design for Learning guidelines. My lesson plans will provide access or combinations to all learning styles. Incorporating UDL in my classroom will allow my students to choose how they would like to turn in assignments. Giving students the flexibility to choose an assignment they feel more confident in will increase their engagement and encourage them to finish their work, thus increasing their knowledge. As for professional development, I will continue to learn new ways to educate my students. Receiving evaluations from both students and faculty will guide me to improve my teaching. There is always room for improvement. Having this mentality will enable me to grow and adapt with the ever-changing educational system. The reason I teach is to inspire all students to reach their full potential. When I notice improvements in my students from where they were before, I know I have taught effectively. Being able to see students' light bulb moments when they finally understand what was being taught is rewarding. Being able to work with children is the reason I teach.